2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power sunroof, tow hitch, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.